Hello, this is Brian Tehako from the TnT Group doing a webcast for NakedTrader.com. Coming to you on Monday, November 8th, a little after 10 o'clock Chicago time, 10:15. I just want to give you a brief update of what's going on today. Market sucks. That's the bottom line. Hate it. Hate how it moves. Doesn't make any sense. It's choppy. Here's my personal opinion. It seems like if everybody buys it, it goes down. If everybody sells it, it goes up. But still got to try to make some money. And the only way to do that right now is bigger picture. Looking for bigger moves and trying to take chunks out of it. Do not scalp this market. If you are scalping, watch one market and one market only. Because if you watch something else, it will screw you up. Big picture today came in dollar strength and major euro-yen weakness. Wanted to be short equities all day. Still a lot of this talk about Ireland basically going bankrupt, is bankrupt. The spread between the German bunds and the Irish bonds kind of is the big talk. They're saying that was what caused the euro weakness overnight. I don't know. It's kind of already out there. It's funny. I think what we're going to start to do is as soon as we're done with this QE now, all of a sudden Europe's going to be bad again. You can feel a tide or something has turned here. And they're not really sure which way this market direction is going to go. And I think the automated systems are kind of trying to hold this market up because they're so tied one way. You can definitely feel that any type of dollar weakness, everything still pops off it real fast. But when we get the dollar strength, we're not seeing those type of reactions the other way. I think it just has a lot to do with the automateds, which way they're leaning on, which way they're queued to go. Everybody's probably programmed one way to go with euro sell-offs. Dollar sell-offs. So we're not really seeing that tide turning right now as much, but I think we will. The weird thing that kind of I keep looking at is this dollar keeps strengthening and this gold kind of stays strong, which to me, I'm scared of something in this market. I want to be short equities. I don't know which way we should be short, U.S. or Europe, but I'd rather be short the riskier stocks versus the safer haven ones. So looking to always kind of be short the Russell side of it. That's kind of a risk stock. NASDAQ, it's tough. Like today, you kind of get the same moves like last week. Banks up. Then you get SP up, NASDAQ down. You get banks going the other way. Today we kind of seen a little bit banks are heavy and NASDAQ and the techs are strong. So now you're seeing S&P weak versus NASDAQ. It's really confusing. We're not getting a straight move in one direction. Anything across the board. Everything's up one way, then the other one's down. I mean, we just saw at the end here, European stocks go up to the highs, and then they sell the U.S. stock market down. Nothing can work together, nothing can work correlated, so it's really frustrating. So position yourself. We're looking at this dollar, the 77.38 area in the dollar, basically up into the 50s. Huge resistance. We get above there. Tide's starting to turn up. Same thing I got this euro 138.77. I got as an area. If we get below there, I think we can easily clip out 40 to 50 ticks lower. So they kind of go hand in hand in the same type of area. So be careful of that. Euro yen keeps flirting with dangerous areas. Start getting below like 15.23 on that euro yen. Starts getting ugly. And minis, I think as long as we stay below the 17.5 for the day here on a 15-minute. Just kind of keep holding below there. I think we're going to start turning the tide down bearish. I'm trying to sell copper all day. Hasn't really come off either. That seems to be staying strong. Seems to be silver is kind of the leader in the metals too, so it's kind of holding everything up. Everything's pointing to risk off. So whatever you want to do with that, that's what we're seeing over here. So again, Brian Tehako coming from the TnT Group, doing a webcast for NakedTrader.com. Remember, try to hold on to your stuff. Don't trade short term. Don't scalp. Again, if you're starting to drink already, don't be trading.